Eating healthy is essential for our well-being. It's not just about eating, it's about making good choices for our bodies. A balanced diet is key to a healthy life. A balanced diet means eating different types of foods. It includes fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. These foods give us the nutrients we need. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins and minerals. Grains give us energy. Protein helps our bodies grow and repair. Dairy keeps our bones strong. Healthy eating habits are about more than just what we eat. It's also about how we eat. We should eat at regular times and not skip meals. It's important to listen to our bodies and eat when we're hungry. Water is also crucial. It keeps us hydrated and helps our bodies work well. We should drink plenty of water every day. By making good choices and eating a variety of foods, we can stay healthy and strong. So, remember to eat well and take care of your body.